In this video, we're demonstrating the BusFinder 7264 Pro for MIPI CSI signal analysis. We'll start by opening the BusFinder software and selecting Protocol Analysis Mode. Once the software starts, you can choose the protocol from the protocol list in the upper left corner. Both MIPI DSI and CSI are included in the D-PHY solution. For displaying related interfaces, an EDP solution is also available. Once you've opened the MIPI CSI protocol settings interface, you'll find that the left side is dedicated to probe wiring settings and the right side handles other function configurations. Within the timing setup, you can fine-tune the signal phase, then click Run to initiate the automatic calculation, and finally click Apply to complete the setup. In this demo, we're capturing data from the camera module on the Q80 dev board. Upon startup, it continuously sends CSI data. The BusFinder will read back and store the collected data to the computer's hard drive in real time. The BusFinder's internal memory acts as a data buffer, and data collection will stop when the buffer is full. The fields displayed in the report interface, arranged from left to right, include timestamp, mode status, virtual channel, data type, word count, raw data direction, and the ECC and CRC check result. Over in the information column, you can see various details such as the packet rate. For example, this particular measurement shows approximately 1.2 gigabits per second. If a CRC error occurs, the system displays NG in the CRC field and lists the theoretically correct CRC value. Click any packet on the right to view its detailed decoded content and raw data. The system also offers a statistics function, which automatically categorizes all packet types. Between the report list and the statistics list, you can quickly filter the data for analysis. For example, when we click on data type, we can see the frame start and frame end values. You'll see that a total of 28 frames of image data were successfully acquired during this particular capture. Now let's activate the image restoration function and select the appropriate virtual channel and then choose data type. The currently supported image formats are RAW 6 to RAW 20, YUV 422, and RGB 888. If you have any other specific image format requirements, please feel free to contact us. After configuring the correct resolution, you can then begin the image restoration process. What you are seeing here is the camera image that was just captured. The image data can also be saved as a binary file, which allows for convenient analysis and external tools and scripts. Prior to starting a capture, trigger conditions can be set. For instance, using CSI packets as the trigger source, you can define a 4-byte header and 28 bytes of data. The BusFinder utilizes oversampling for data collection, ensuring stable acquisition regardless of signal speed or changes during the process. The BusFinder can successfully capture CSI signals up to 2 GHz. Beyond CSI, the BusFinder base unit can be configured to support additional protocols to complete all high-speed interface signal measurements. Be sure to visit Acute's official website to learn more about these solutions.